Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the apps section, then go to the manage apps, tap here and select an option reset app preferences, and then confirm it by tapping reset apps, and after that all of the app settings will be reset. This will cause your phone to lag. I don't know what's it still about, but what you have to do after this is to just restart your device by holding down power key and volume down for a couple of seconds, and after that it will be restarted with all the apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.